Hermeticism, a blend of ancient wisdom and philosophical insight, rises from the teachings of a figure steeped in mystery, Hermes Trismegistus. At its heart lies the notion of divine knowledge and spiritual alignment. It's a fusion of Egyptian and Greek thought, captivating intellectuals throughout history.
The transformation of Hermetic thought has often paralleled the rise of alchemy, which was once referred to as the Hermetic art.
It's intertwined with various philosophical traditions, especially as we look towards the Renaissance period, where a resurgence in Hermetic texts sparked a profound shift in thought.
Yes, and there will be more on that later, including the pivotal figures who ignited this revival.
Entering late antiquity, we witness the birth of Hermetism within the rich tapestry of Hellenistic Egypt.
It symbolizes a melting pot of religions where Greek and Egyptian ideas coalesced. This blend gave rise to the venerated figure of Hermes Trismegistus.
The Hermetica, a collection that proclaims profound spiritual and theological insights. Dialogue is key, where Hermes instructs a seeker on hidden wisdom.
These are not mere philosophical musings. They engage deeply with cosmology and the very essence of the divine.
Indeed, Hermeticism shaped early Christianity and Gnostic beliefs, intertwining with their views on salvation and the divine.
The connection between the soul's journey and knowledge acquisition finds common ground in both traditions.
The intersections of Hermeticism and early Christianity are particularly captivating. Can you guess who embraced these teachings? Yes, figures like Lactantius saw Hermes as a wise prophet. This resonance with classical thought provided a bridge to integrate Hermetic concepts within Christianity.
The transcendent nature of God in Hermeticism complemented early theological discussions, particularly in Gnostic traditions.
Both emphasized esoteric knowledge as the pathway to salvation, positioning the material world as separate from the divine.
The notion of ascension through purification in Hermeticism mirrors Gnostic views on the soul returning to its source.
The Hermetica truly is foundational to the Hermetic tradition. It encompasses a wealth of texts across centuries.
Not at all. The writings can be split into philosophical and technical categories, with both offering rich insights into various domains, including alchemy.
The renowned Corpus Hermeticum, which comprises 17 treatises, emphasizes key doctrines through dialogues exploring the divine, the cosmos, and enlightenment.
Two notable ones include Poimandres, which presents a compelling cosmological vision, and the Emerald Tablet, essential to alchemical tradition.
It encapsulates the pivotal Hermetic principle, as above, so below, suggesting a profound connection between the universe and human existence.
Such lessons have permeated through alchemical practices and esoteric traditions for centuries.
The journey of the Hermetica didn't end in antiquity. It underwent vital transmissions that shaped its legacy.
The Renaissance marked a revival, with key translations by figures such as Marsilio Ficino igniting interest in Hermetic philosophy.
This revival presented an ancient lens that harmonized seamlessly with emerging Christian perspectives and classical scholarship.
Absolutely. Thinkers like Pico della Mirandola drew from Hermeticism to promote human dignity and knowledge's divine nature.
It's fascinating. The esoteric nature allowed for multiple interpretations. Philosophical, mystical, and practical applications remain relevant to this day.
And it's crucial to recognize how these adaptations reflect the cultural contexts in which they emerged.
A great idea. Everyone is encouraged to share what they know or add layers to this discussion in the comments.